process unified. All layers integrated. No longer defined, every function now aligned, all divisions reassigned into one continuous line. No distinction remains, no divergence sustained, every process contained within a singular frame.